Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on auto capitalization on Android phone. If at the end of this video guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, I'll be using Infinix Note 11 for this tutorial. First thing to do is to open up your settings. When you open up your settings guys, go ahead and scroll up to the last option, which is system. Click on that system. When you click on that system guys, under this page you have languages and inputs and all other options. Just go ahead and click on languages and inputs. When you click on languages and inputs, you see many options under this page. Just go ahead and click on screen keyboard. Then from that on-screen keyboard guys, we have many options too. Go ahead and click on Gboard, which is the first option. When you click on Gboard, it will bring you to this settings page. Go ahead and click on text correction. Under this text correction guys, you have a lot of options. Scroll up under this correction, then search for auto capitalization. It capitalize the first word of each sentence while using facial keyboard. Now at the front of this auto capitalization, you see a button at the front. Go ahead and toggle on the button. Just tap on it. You see the changes. So guys, that is how to turn on auto capitalization on Android phone. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.